Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Give me a thumbs up just for the intro.
We are out here in Appleton, Georgia. Back on the Amazon run again, yo. Amazon. When the money call, I come out to get it. That's the bottom line. And the money call. So let's get to the bag. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna load this truck up. Good thing about going to KCLT in Charlotte, I don't have to unload the truck. They will unload the truck for me. But I will have to load it up at this facility. So I'm gonna see y'all in a minute, man. Hope y'all doing fantastic out there. I'm doing fantastic over here. Let's go, let's get it. Let's eat, baby. The sky looks beautiful tonight. Look like it's about to get ugly out here though.
Take a trip on it. When a girl who can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time. Let me know I want. When you turn me around, I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going. Like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation.
What is up, family? Right now we're back in Charlotte. I just dropped off a load at KCLT, which is the airport up here, and I caught another load. You know, y'all know I like to call them round robins. I was able to find another load picking up at 2:20, picking up at 2:20, going back to Lexington, South Carolina. So that's like 15 minutes from the house when I dropped that load off. So I was able to catch one going, catch one going back home. So yeah, it's looking good tonight. It's another one. I got another set up the same way tomorrow, except I don't have any deadhead. 4 miles tomorrow, deadhead picking up in Columbia, going to Charlotte, then Charlotte back to Columbia. So it's looking good, man. This is how I like to do these loads. You already know, like I'm catching these round robins. I stalk the load board. If I have something picking up and driving to drop the load off, I'll watch the load board the entire time until I see the loads that I know are coming out of Charlotte going back towards home. And that's my secret sauce. I guess it's not a secret no more. Y'all know what it is now. Plus, I'm pretty sure y'all probably figured it out. Oh, that's how he do it. Yeah, so it's not post the truck. I'm just catching mines off the load board, which is called spot loads with Amazon. So yeah, out here at the Loves.
Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We not like me. We not shine bright like royalty. We not sticky, but they are guilty. And why? my head, like bum bum bum. Roll back then rotation, figure it's in the season. Shine bright, it's the season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Shining like you ice in every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Shining like you ice in every time. Can't you, can you make me feel like we could do? Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you, can you make me feel like we could do? Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Shining like you ice.
So I don't know what we have tonight, but I got my fingers crossed, hoping I don't get hit with nothing too heavy tonight. Let's see what it is, y'all. We about to find out though. Let's go.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get.
Just shout it out.
Shout out to Bigg Vic.
What's the name of your company?
Diesel Girl Trucking. And
Diesel Girl Trucking. Y'all
Diesel
think these women ain't out here getting this money? Y'all better stop playing out here.
With you, night turn to morning dew. Then you feel it freshen and lose control. You don't wanna go slow, for sure.
So we had 32 scans. Wasn't too bad. Knocked it out real quick. Something light. Easy money, man. Too easy. Let's go. Let's get it.
This is your place, my place. Your place, my place. Just face it. No one knows my places like you do. Your places like I do. My place like you do. Baby, don't stop. Got the key to the lock. We in our own zone. Make yourself at home. Get to know mine on the inside. Can meet at yours next time. And you feel it freshen and lose control. You don't wanna go slow, for sure. We both already know your place is my place. Now my place is your place. Let's face it, baby. You know all the places. My place is your place. Your place is my place. Just face it. No one knows my places like you do. Your places like I do. My place like you do. You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Later clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better.